Today, guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to make slime with a glue stick. I got Jot glue stick. Sorry for the music in the background. It's my big sister. As you can see her, she's a gangster. And she loves looking at rap music. Well, anyway, let's get into the video. Let's go. Okay, so we have to get a glue stick. Any glue stick, Jot works the best. And so you can just spread the glue on your hand in the middle of your palm. It doesn't matter what kind of glue it is, but I'm just telling you Jot works the best. And so you just get your one finger, your first finger, low on the glue stick. Then you just rub it. And keep on blowing. And when your hand starts to get like this, that means slime is forming.
No, well, then I'm just gonna see.
And so my slime is forming very well. And look, it's so small. But it's so stretchy though. It's small but stretchy. And guys, if you ever want your slime to be like soft, you would either add some contact solution or some lotion. I use Stretch Marks lotion because it works the best. So if I were you, I would buy this lotion. It's like so smooth. As you can see, when you rub it on your hands, it gets away the glue and like it makes your hands more soft. As you can see, it's a good consistency to buy this lotion. I don't know where I get it from. It was like a few years ago since I had this. And like, your hands will be like glowing just like this. And the glue is off my hands also. And check out my next video. My next video is going to be about a tour of my room. But I got to clean up my room first. Anyway, always use Jot glue or either some other glue. Like Elmer's and Jot glue. No other glue will work. Like only Elmer's.
Yes, it will.